Hi, hello guys. Let's help my channel to grow. This is your host Naomi from Philippines, and please watch my blog. Help me to grow my channel. Oh, this is si mom holding dry clothes. So, yeah, doing things so busy. So very hot. Very hot. Nagunsa ka ma? Nagunsa ka? Yurot ni mo? Hello, one viewer. Hi. Good evening to all. Hi, Amado Fadega. Welcome to my other channel. Thank you for watching on my new channel. Please help me to grow my new channel. Where are you? Please invite your friends to watch and subscribe this new channel of mine. I had to create a new channel because my other channel was demonetized. So while waiting for that, I make a new channel for other, other income. I have my channel is so bad, bad internet. I have a bad internet. So you help me to grow. Invite your friends to watch my new blog in my other channel, Naomi. Thank you for watching, Amado Fadega. Fadega, I have also my Bigo Live. You have to download Bigo Live. I always go live there, especially in the night time. Bigo Live streaming. I have my Bigo Live streaming. LSL Naomi. My ID is J underscore Naomi. It's on Bigo. I had to get some platforms because this is my passion in going live and blogging. You know, this is where I experience to earn money, so I like to explore around the platform. And in the vacation, I do my blog. I can focus because no school. Because every day, so it's school days, I go to school to watch my child and pick up in the afternoon. So I can't focus on blog. So this time, about 1 month, I'm not a, I'm lazy. I'm going to live every day in in YouTube in these two